guys, so I got myself a new vlogging camera bag, and this is OneGo Pocket Sling from PGYTECH. And if you guys want different colors, of course you get the choice: the space black, lime green and mist white. So let's go exploring. So this super light OneGo Pocket, you'd be surprised how much gets into this bag. So the capacity is 2 liters, and 2 liters is a big capacity. So in this compartment, you get the zip. All the zips are from YKK, the best zip brand out there. So here I have an earbud pocket camera, actually pocket camera case, and also a PGYTECH selfie stick tripod. So this is the compartment where I pulled out a lot of stuff. And in the middle, I've actually stuck in my mobile phone. So there is a little bit of a compartment space where you can just shove anything, and the space is plenty. You put in mobile phone. Actually, you can probably add in about 5 different mobile phones. And if I turn this way, then you have a little pocket. And here I have another camera, another vlogging camera. So you can definitely fit in so many vlogging gears. So with everything back in, it still feels very light and very easy to access everything. And even when the bag is full at 2 liters, because you get this thick enough shoulder pad, it actually feels extremely comfortable. Super duper light. So this is the default length, but you can very quickly adjust the string on both sides. So if you're a tall person, you can definitely enjoy this PGYTECH OneGo Pocket Sling. So this is at full length. So a super tall guy, if you want an extra vlogging camera bag, then you can definitely enjoy. And also you can just pull it right up. So you can pull the string right up. So you can have all your belongings safely right by your chest. If you're traveling in a busy tourist city, then you can enjoy it in this way as well. So now let me show you all the details of the bag, close up. So you may have noticed that I have something very special. This is a new PGYTECH logo and also the special gibbets. So nowadays, customizing your bag to your personality is all the rage. So PGYTECH has the design for you. So they have the 2 built-in tag port interface. So everything is sleek. You can customize it, but in a very neat way. And each of these bags, they come with one random tag port badge. So here, this is what I got. It says raw. And with another bag, I also got these. So design is such that you can easily slide in. And as I've done on this side, I can do the same on the other side. So this is what I did. Pretty cute. So you can really show off your personality on your daily vlogging bag. So for Crocs lovers out there, yes, you can put your gibbets on the already built-in interface on this PGYTECH OneGo Pocket Sling, just like what I've done here. So now I'm showing you guys the space black color with the DIY charms. Oh, and I've noticed this wide shoulder strap. This is perfect place for placing the microphone. This is amazing because just now my sweater was keep doing this. So instead, you can definitely make use of every part of your bag. So at the bag, you have the safety zip, but on the front part, you have the quick access. So let me show you how quick you can access everything and set your gear up. Done. Super quick. So you can start vlogging right away with your new vlogging bag. So in a very special place like here, what you want is get a very quick access to all your camera gear. So here I have my vlogging machine and put the case away very quickly as well in this quick access compartment. And this is magnetic. So once attached, the flap stays on. So you can think of this bag as a bit of a baguette or sandwich. So here there is this quick adjustable pocket, and then inside, I showed you already, mobile phone. And if you want to keep everything safe, then there is a zip compartment. So I usually carry like this, so easy access, and the zip compartment stays towards my body, so it's kept really safely. So to show you the detail, let me just unstrap myself. a bit longer. So it's very easily done, very smooth. And the zip is beautiful. And actually the entire design of the bag is beautiful. Even this string, the color scheme is absolutely gorgeous. So here I have like extra battery for my pocket, the earbuds. So I want you to take a closer look at the compartment. So there is a little bit of cushion, so you keep all your accessories really safely, because in here you want to keep, you know, stuff important like battery, earbuds. There's additional storage here and also here. And the big storage here, you know, I've kept the tripod. And inside there is like a little pocket where you can put, you know, you can put an air tag inside. And even this compartment, you can put further things because there are thick elastic band lined here. It's definitely very cushiony. But this whole bag only weighs 260 grams, so it is super light. And in the middle compartment where you put temporary, you know, quick, really super duper quick excess stuff, then there is a bit of magnet button hidden inside. So for example, this handle, you can actually tug it right in and then sort of place the magnetic button together. So even temporarily, everything is kept very safely here. Throughout this video, you've seen me wearing it like a shoulder bag or crossbody bag, but you also have this handle. So you can actually take off this very pretty metal hook. So these are off and you can just carry like this. So this definitely works really, really well. And put it like a cushiony protective pocket inside your big backpack. And now we're talking about this strap. I have to say the color scheme here is gorgeous. Now on to like the final fine details that I want you guys to know. So just like my other PGYTECH bags, the fabric here is splash resistant. So even there is, you know, little splash or little shower, yes, this fabric will keep your devices safe. And this is also dirt proof and wear resistant. So you can take it to a harsh environment and this bag will be fine. So out of all these colors, which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. For me, I really cannot decide because they are all so beautiful. You know, this lime green is so much fun. And this misty white is very, you know, classy. It's like very graceful color. I can almost see myself, you know, wearing it like a clutch. And this space black, you know, it's classic, but with this lime color lining here, it's actually fun. And because it's black, it goes with anything that you wear. So if you guys want to know more about all these OneGo pocket sling bag, then definitely do check out the link down below for more detail, and I'll be back with other interesting gadget review while using this bag. So I'll see you.